Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the ADHD Master Plan. Today, we're going to dive into how diet impacts ADHD symptoms. We're going to be focused on high protein meals and the effect of processed carbohydrates and sugar. You might be surprised to learn that while sugar doesn't directly affect attention, it does affect impulse control and can lead to hyperactivity, which can make staying focused a lot harder. So stick around to understand how making a few changes in your diet can make a huge difference. Let's start with a common belief that sugar directly causes attention problems. While it is true that sugar affects your energy levels, a 2003 study found that it doesn't necessarily impair attention. Instead, sugar impacts impulse control and can lead to hyperactivity. This hyperactivity can then make it difficult to focus, especially on tasks that aren't exciting or enjoyable. Hyperactivity and impulsivity can make it difficult for anyone, especially someone with ADHD, to stay on task and finish a project. So while sugar may not directly harm attention, it creates conditions that make focusing harder. When sugar causes hyperactivity, it creates restlessness. For those with ADHD, this makes focusing on mundane or repetitive, boring tasks much harder. The body craves more stimulating activities, making it easy to get distracted. Hyperactivity feels the need to move or switch tasks frequently. This restless energy makes staying on one task for a long period of time very difficult. This explains why people with ADHD might find themselves jumping from one thing to the other after consuming too much sugar. The body's need for stimulation outweighs the brain's ability to concentrate. Now let's talk about the benefits of a high-protein meal for those people who struggle with ADHD. Protein helps in the production of neurotransmitters like dopamine and neuroepinephrine, which are critical for focus and attention. Unlike sugar, protein is digested slowly, which keeps blood sugar levels to be very stable. Stable blood sugars means consistent energy, which help maintain better impulse control and reduces hyperactivity. For someone with ADHD, this can mean fewer distractions and better concentration on tasks that need focus. So what's happening in the brain? The prefrontal cortex, responsible for focus and decision-making, struggles when there's too much or too little glucose. High blood sugar levels can overwhelm this area, leading to poor impulse control. When blood sugar crashes, the brain lacks the energy it needs to focus. This explains why high-protein meals, which maintain steady energy levels, keep the prefrontal cortex functioning well. So, a balanced energy allows for clearer thinking, better impulse control, and improved focus, which are essential for managing ADHD symptoms. Choosing foods that support brain health doesn't have to be complicated. High-protein meals like eggs for breakfast or chicken for lunch can set you up for success. Avoid processed carbohydrates and sugary snacks that lead to quick spikes and crashes. Instead, opt for whole foods that provide stable energy. By making these small changes, you can create an environment where your brain is better equipped to handle the demands of the day. Managing ADHD symptoms involves more than just one strategy, and diet plays a major role. By focusing on high-protein meals and cutting down on processed carbohydrates, you're giving your brain what it needs to stay balanced and focused. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on managing ADHD. And let me know in the comment section what kind of diet changes have worked for you. I thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day.